So guys, good morning po sa inyong lahat. Kung kilala niyo po yung singer na si Lady Gaga, yan po siya. Kinanta niya po yung kanta ni Sir Elton John na Your Song. At kung napapansin niyo po yung audio sa YouTube at yung audio ng video na napapanood po natin sa Facebook, I will show you the difference. I will show you. Listen carefully.
Sun's been quite kind.